The subject for this video is Search for Beginners. Let's go to a SharePoint site, go to the home page, and enter something to search for in the search text box. Let's enter bikes. I know I have bike content because I have a mountain bike channel and library. Notice along the top you can search all. You can drill down into files only, sites only, news, images. Let's try to search for a site. I have a mountain bike team and a library. Those show up, but not a site. So let's try home site, because I know that site's created. There we go. So now we have a site, pages, documents, and we can drill down and filter using those tabs. So let's go back to the home page, and now let's select a document library. Let's try searching from here and watch what happens. Let's type bikes. Okay, so we have a library in mountain bikes. We're going to see the folders from the library. Let's try searching for the home site, and it's not appearing. The reason being is the search is context sensitive. If you're at the home page in the site, it'll search everything. If you're just at a library or a list, it'll only search that library or list. So it's really important to be at the home page if you want to search the entire site. Also, if you want to learn more about metadata, columns, and tagging, which really helps refine searches, please search on my video, Creating a Document Library and Customizing Metadata. Hope you enjoyed. Please click subscribe and like. Thanks.